Hi, I'd like to show you DER-953Q, which is an automotive 900-volt PowiGaN powered micro DC to DC solution. Let's dive right in. This is DER-953Q. It's a 150-volt to 500-volt input with a reinforced isolated 13.6-volt at 100-watt output board. But what's special about this design is the InnoSwitch, which uses our 900-volt PowiGaN technology, enabling this board to achieve 93% efficiency, but minimizing the board area needed for heat sinking. Other noteworthy items are dual SR FETs for heat spreading, which is the same reason we have clamp components spread out and on both sides of the board, and we have a remote enable disable input. That's it, the DER-953Q. If you'd like to evaluate the DER-953Q, please contact your local Power Integrations FAE or sales office. And for more information on the board itself, please visit power.com.